Hello everybody and welcome to today's video. I am going to be showing you how to set up a simple command and control server. So let me show you what the end result of that is going to look like. So you'll have a simple batch file that you double click and execute, and bam, you get a calculator. Now to achieve this, you're going to need some sort of free web hosting. In my instance, I'm using freewebhostingarea.com. Free WHA is what it's called. It's been around for a long time. It's very reliable. So what I've done is I've put together a simple website with a forum here that has a text box and a button. When you push the button, it posts to a forum. As you can see here, when you push the button, it posts to an exe.php file. Okay, whatever's inside of the input field. Okay, so that's simple enough. Now I'm going to show you what that PHP file looks like. So if you want, you can recreate this for yourself. In my instance, I'm sending the request, right? And this is on the same server as this HTML web page is. Okay, so I did that using FileZilla. You can upload them there if the web server supports PHP. This one does support PHP, so certain commands you cannot do on the server, which kind of sucks, but for the most part, I made do with what we had. So what I'm doing here is I set a command, right, bootstrap. So if that's what's inputted into the input field, right, or you do it through an application, then it's going to post these three commands, right? It's going to echo these three commands, which one of them is just echoing the computer name, one of them is echoing the time and the date, and the other one is spawning calc.exe. Okay, then I've got a secondary command called connect. Okay, if you type connect, you can SSH connect automatically to an SSH server, right? I haven't really done anything with that, but that's the basic gist. Now, since you want this to fire on a victim machine, then you're going to have to create the malware, right? So your malware is going to be whatever commands you set inside of that PHP file that I showed you, right? Inside of this PHP file. But on your victim machine, whatever you send them is going to look something like this. It can be a PowerShell, it can be batch, but I would recommend turning this into an executable or something, making it look like a picture, whatever you do, right? However you can get it to execute. But this is simple enough. It just points to the URL, Blackmagic, and then to the PHP file itself. And then what it does is it sets the command to bootstrap. So it inputs that command into the input field and then looks for the response, right? Gets the response and loops through the response data. So the delimiter is a space. So that separates every command with a space is the delimiter. So it's going to loop through every command and it's going to execute the commands, right? Every command that it loops through, it's going to execute. That's basically the whole video, guys. I'm hoping you enjoyed it as much as I did making it. It was kind of fun. Like I said, certain things you can bypass antivirus using this, and you can get real creative with some of the things that you do with it. All of you guys take care. Thank you for watching so much. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.